Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum.
Now let's do the last challenge. You're trying to find that same feeling in the throat.
Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah.
Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Yes.
Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Well done. So this is the E flat. So it's a little bit higher than the D. Right.
Okay.
So if you take your time to really set yourself up and you're constantly building from clean coordination, you will get it. Does that feel hard?
No.
No, let's go. So one of the things that I teach in my lessons is this idea of translating technique. And what this means is sometimes you notice certain scales or certain sounds just seem to work better. They feel a little bit easier to go up and down your range. And then there are other ones that just feel a lot harder. This isn't pure coincidence. What's actually happening is in some of those easier scales, the underlying muscles are just working better. And so one of the best ways to improve is to use these easy scales and find simple ways or workflows to teach these harder scales. And as these harder scales become easier, you'll notice when you go to a song, your technique starts to be more reliable and consistent. And so to help you understand this, today I have a lesson where I guide a student through this process. So feel free to follow along, but more importantly, I want you to take out the general principles of translating from an easier context into a harder context. So let's dive in. And let me kind of just run through some tests in that case. Let me see where things are at. Let's just start here. Mum, 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 mum.
Mum, 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 mum.
Nice.
Mum, 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 mum.
Nice.
Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum.
Wonderful.
Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum.
Try no.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Nay.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Let's go top down.
On a nay.
On the nay. Yeah, nay, 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 nay.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Good. So this is the easy context. So did you feel how, so these are actually kind of the same note as when I was going bottom up, but we're going top down now. Can you feel how one is easier?
Maybe. I mean, they sounded different.
Yeah. Cool. So it's a little bit subtle for you still. That's okay. So basically, right, when you go top down, your technique is better.
Interesting.
And it's better because you're engaging good stretch, and then you just find an appropriate amount of connection. So you're kind of going like, nay, 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 nay. That's what you're kind of doing, right? So there's kind of like a little bit of like that feeling of head or falsetto. Nay, 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 nay. Then the bite kind of comes in. That's kind of what you're doing. As you go bottom up, it's actually pretty good until a certain point, but then we don't keep giving into that feeling of stretch. We start to kind of clamp on the closure a little bit more, and that's why it kind of changes things up a bit more. So when we start moving back into this kind of practice, you're trying to hunt for these little moments, right? And I've been trying to kind of explain this to my students, which is you have places where it's good.
Yeah.
You don't even need to know specifically why it's good, right? You just need to know that, oh, it feels different. I guess suppose for you, it didn't necessarily feel easier. Is that what you're saying?
I don't think so, or at least I mean, I was just more focused on the sound, I guess. I could tell they sounded different.
Okay, it sounded different. Okay, cool, cool, cool. So we probably need to help you kind of feel like why it's better as well. That's going to be part of it. So let's just go top down again real quick.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Nice.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Now go bottom up.
Nay, 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 nay.
Ooh, that one made it better this time. Top down.
Nay, nay, nay. Oh, top down.
Top down,
Nay,
yeah.
nay, nay, nay.
Yeah, yeah. Try again here.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
So that's the difference. So you know how bottom up is not as clean? That's kind of the gap I'm trying to get you to see. It's not a big gap, but like that's why when you go maybe sing when you're singing a song, once you get to the D, because this is the D, right? It kind of breaks or something kind of happens. It's kind of this here. But then it's also not like you can't get to that note.
Yeah.
The top down is pretty solid. So if you can maybe slow it down a little bit and maybe close your eyes, right? The gap you're trying to feel is why is bottom up different?
Nay, 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 nay.
That could be a bit better.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, there. Bottom up.
Nay, 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 nay.
Perfect.
Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, nice. Bottom up.
Nay, 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 nay.
Change. Top down.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Nice. Bottom up.
Nay, 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 nay.
Yes. Good.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Close. Top down. That's right.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, let's actually do this. Let's do it maybe top down 7 times. So you can
Okay.
get a bit more consistent. And then we'll do the last one bottom up. Because right now, this is less of like a rapping out thing that you need to do. It's more like, can we get some more like, or can we see the changes a little bit more? So top down.
Nay, 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 nay.
Nice.
Nay, 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 nay.
Good.
Nay, 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 nay.
Good.
Nay, 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 nay.
Good.
Nay, 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 nay.
Good. Last one.
Nay, 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 nay.
Bottom up.
Nay, 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 nay.
Good. That's a good match. Top down.
Nay, 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 nay.
Nice.
Nay, 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 nay.
Good.
Nay, 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 nay.
Good.
Nay, 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 nay.
Good.
Nay, 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 nay.
Slipped.
Nay, 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 nay.
Nice. 2 more.
Nay, 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 nay.
Nice.
Nay, 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 nay.
Bottom up.
Nay, 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 nay.
Pretty close. Top down.
Nay, 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 nay.
Nice.
Nay, 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 nay.
Close. Slipped.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Nice.
Nay, 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 nay.
Nice.
Nay, 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 nay.
Nice. That's pretty solid. So we're kind of just trying to highlight a difference for you. It's pretty small, to be honest. How do you feel anything, or do you kind of sense anything for yourself?
I don't know. I just feel like maybe when I'm coming from the top down, like I have more time to set things in place or something. Like, because I do feel like I like hold on the N a little longer, or like,
You do.
you know, before I start.
Yeah.
That helps. I don't really know.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. The top down is kind of setting you up better, for sure.
Yeah.
And what do you feel like when you're going bottom up?
Well, I start to panic when I get to this top.
Yeah, it could be that. Yeah, sometimes it's just like you literally just panic a bit more on the way up. But kind of regardless, so what will kind of help you get better in songs is solving this problem here. Like it doesn't actually get any, like it's as good as this really. It's like
Okay.
you have this example which works so well. Can we reverse it? Now we might try different words, but different examples, but the best way to kind of improve is you have one that's like pretty much 90, 100% of the way there, technically.
Yeah.
Then one that's like maybe like 60, 70. And that contrast is what teaches our brain. If you kind of start off your routine and you're kind of doing something that's like, do you know the or like the tap, right? And if that's like 60, 70% of the time, like it's not really as clean as it could be. You don't want to be like starting there each day because you're going to start off a little bit like off axis, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
So that's one thing to do. Maybe we'll try the taps and scoops, but let's see how that goes as well. But it's always like, where's the cleanest example I can get? Go somewhere harder. So I'm gonna kind of chip away at this a bit more. You're able to do it. It's just if you can build a bit more confidence over like what you're doing, that could be helpful. So maybe the panic is one. Like see if you can kind of like just trust that it can be exactly the same. And if you need, you can go like nay 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 nay. You can slow down a little bit. It's a little bit of like a crutch, but it can kind of like at least get you over smoothly. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Top down.
Nay, 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 nay.
Now bottom up. Take your time on that top one if you need.
Nay, 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 nay.
Good. Top down.
Nay, 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 nay.
Nice. Bottom up.
Nay, 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 nay.
Try it again.
Nay, 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 nay.
Mm-hmm.
Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, nice. Now maybe the last one, do it without slowing down.
Nay, 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 nay.
Oh, yes, that's it. Same progression.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, good.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Change. Do this. Slow it down a little bit for the second rep.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Yes. Now go through without slowing down.
Okay. Can you give me the note again? Sorry.
Of course.
Nay, 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 nay. Like overshot it.
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Go through that progression again. I think this one sets you up really nice. So top down, then bottom up, but you take a little almost like pause or slow down at the top, then without slowing down.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Try that again.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, close. Come back out.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, see if you can follow the workflow a little bit. So you go top down, nay, 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 then nay, 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 then you go through that. Because basically the idea here is, right, like there's a few things we're trying to manage, and this is why progress can be a little bit not so linear. Because you're able to get bottom up, right?
Yeah.
But then what happens is if you kind of zoom out what's happening with the brain, if we kind of spend like 50% of the time in clean technique and then the other 50% not so clean, like you see how bottom up is kind of slipping,
Yeah.
it kind of gives your brain like mixed signals. So it's like, oh, what exactly am I kind of going for? But if we can kind of find a way to make progress, find a way to challenge these harder contexts, but still generally spend like 80% of our time, like 2/3, like just the majority of our time in clean reps on a day-to-day basis, on a week-to-week basis, you're giving your brain the signal to keep moving in the right direction. And so this is kind of like, we have a lesson here and we're finding coordination, but if we kind of zoom out, also what we're trying to do daily is plant the right seeds. And that's what allows you to, maybe like if a month's time, you're like, oh, actually the bottom up just works now.
Yeah.
It's because you're still thinking about the same thing, but you've planted the seeds long enough. So that's why we're doing these kind of we're doing this kind of little progression, because you get a clean top down, then you get a clean with that nay, 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 nay. When you kind of take that little break, you can get that pretty clean, like 60% of the time.
Yeah.
Then that last one is the one that like is a little bit more inconsistent. But if you zoom out, okay, at least generally it's still like 60, 70% more correct, if that makes sense. So when you're kind of practicing in your own, you're always kind of trying to find like, how do I spend most of my time in good technique and then occasionally challenge the harder bits? As you get better and better and you feel like your idea of technique is cleaner, you can do less of that. You can go straight more to the challenges.
Okay.
But like unless you feel like really certain, kind of going through this like this kind of playing this kind of tug of war game is a bit better. So you don't like make it a bit hard for yourself. So try it again. Top down.
Nay, 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 nay.
Bottom up, but see if you can get back to that same place on the top. Like you slow down a little bit.
Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, so you can get that first. Top down.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, you kind of imagine that second example, you're basically going bottom up, then you're resetting, and then you're doing the top down again.
Yeah.
If that makes sense. You're basically doing the first one again. So if you can get that to match better.
Should I do the top down first?
Yeah, top down, yeah.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, like that. Let's just milk that first.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah. Sorry.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Good.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Good.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, a little bit more connection on the top.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, nice. And let's just do the bottom up version now, but take that little pause.
Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, a little bit more connection on the top. Slipping.
Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Nice.
Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, close.
Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, that top note, take a little bit more time on that top note. It just needs to seal up a little bit more. It's good. It's getting to the note, but it's like a little bit light. Or maybe go a little bit lower.
Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, a bit more on the top.
Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, nice. Just hold on to the N a little bit longer.
Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Yes.
Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Well done.
Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Good.
Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Pretty close.
Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, pretty good. Now let's do the last challenge. Do the same thing. Now add a repeat where you don't slow down, but you're trying to find that same feeling in the throat.
Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah.
Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Yes.
Nay, nay, nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Well done. So this is the E flat. So it's a little bit higher than the D. Right.
Okay.
So if you take your time to really set yourself up and you're constantly building from clean coordination, you will get it. Does that feel hard?
No.
No. Let's go.